Hello everyone, my full name is Jhonatan Amaro, but my friends call me Jhow. I'm 21 and I was born in São Carlos, São Paulo. My birthday is on December 20th. I'm a personal trainer since 2016. I'm studying physical education for 3 years at UNICEF. I live with my mother and brother. Her name is Daisy. She is 39. My brother Nicholas is only 6. We don't have pets because my mother dislikes them. We have a house on Luiz Maziero Street, number 57, Icari Garden, São Carlos, São Paulo. Well, sometimes I'm forgetful, but I'm humble and extremely helpful. I always take care of my friends. I love sports, mainly basketball. My favorite team is the Chicago Bulls. About soccer, I'm not very well at it. I can play some musical instruments very well, like the drums, Spanish guitar, and ukulele. I learned to play them back in 2005. I love physical activities. It's so good and relaxing for me. I will open a health center in the future with doctors, physiotherapists, and other professionals. My routine is extremely hard. I wake up at 6 a.m., take a hot shower, eat something, go to the gym, and after I go to university at night. You can check my contact information in the description. Thank you, see ya!